fall is here. I love fall. I'm excited. I hope you're excited too, because I'm gonna create a fall look using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition palette. Yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned.
I didn't know we were in the information society.
Before picking up the BH Cosmetics palette, I'm just gonna use this Max Factor Masterpiece Nude palette 02 Golden Nudes, and I'm gonna put it in my crease with a pointed blending brush. And this is the only shade I'm gonna use that is not from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition palette. And now for the little bit more exciting part of this video, I'm gonna pick up the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm choosing these two orangey shades to put in my crease and to really blend in with the transition shade. And I'm just applying them with this e.l.f. blending brush. And as you can see, I'm not only applying this in my crease, but I'm also going in above the crease and also on my lid. Now I'm picking up this more deep burgundy shade, and I'm gonna put this in my inner and outer corners. And the brush I'm using for this shade is just a flat eyeshadow brush. As I'm editing the video, I'm realizing that the colors don't pick up very well on camera because the lighting in front of me is very warm toned. But don't worry, I do show you a picture of what it looks like in natural sunlight. So yeah, just wanted to add that back to the video now. Considering it's all foiled shadows, the fallout of the palette is not too bad, except for this shade. I don't know why, but just be aware of that when you're applying it. Then I'm picking this lighter, more bronzy shade to put in the center of my lid. And to apply it, I'm using an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. Now I'm gonna pick up this yellow shade to put directly on the center of my lid, and to make it extra pigmented, I'm just gonna apply it with my finger. Now I'm gonna pick up the transition shade again, and I'm gonna apply this to my lower lash line with a pointed blending brush. Now I'm picking up the more bronzy shade again that I put in the center of my lid first, and this time I'm gonna apply it to the outer corner of my under eye. Then I'm picking up the more deep burgundy shade again, and I'm gonna focus this on the outer V. And lastly, I'm gonna choose this lighter yellow shade to put in the inner corners of my eyes. And before putting on the rest of my makeup, I'm just gonna remove the fallout, and I'm using my Nivea micellar water. This is the finished makeup look. You can see it a little bit closer here. For lipstick, I'm just wearing a NYX lip liner in the shade Mahogany. I'm gonna link it down below. And for lashes, I'm wearing some Ardell ones. Again, I'll put it down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you if you thought of purchasing the palette, or you already have it and you want to create a more fall-ish look. And that's it for this video. I hope to see you in my next one.
That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the information society.